Good morning, math. Let's find the length of x when an equilateral triangle ABC is folded as shown in the figure on the left. Alright, let's get started. In folding problems, the important point is that the folded figure is congruent to the figure before it was folded. If you think about it, that's obvious, and if you keep that in mind, things will naturally start to make sense. First, let's fill in everything we already know. We are told that triangle ABC is equilateral, so every angle is 60 degrees. Angles A, B, and C are all 60 degrees, so we write those in first. We still do not know the side length of this equilateral triangle, but as mentioned earlier, the folded figure is congruent to the original figure before folding, so the length AD is equal to the folded length FD. Since FD is 7, AD must also be 7. If we write that into the diagram, it looks like this. Now we can see that one side of the equilateral triangle is the sum of 7 and 3, which is 10. Next, look at the base. Since BF is 8, FC must be 10 minus 8, which equals 2. Now, where should we look next? Because the folded figure is congruent to the figure before folding, angle DFE is equal to angle A before folding, which is 60 degrees. We have figured out quite a few things. Now, let's focus on triangle FCE. If we consider the relationship between the interior and exterior angles of this triangle, the sum of angle CEF and angle ECF equals the exterior angle BFE. Angle BFE is equal to the sum of angle DFE and angle BFD, so this equation holds. However, angle ECF and angle DFE are both 60 degrees, so 60 degrees cancels out on both sides. Therefore, we can see that angle CEF equals angle BFD. These are the two angles marked with red circles. Now, if we look at the two triangles shaded in blue, since two angles are equal, we know that these triangles are similar. Looking at the ratio of corresponding sides, we get the proportion 3 to 8 equals 2 to x. The product of the inner terms equals the product of the outer terms, so 3 times x equals 16. Therefore, x equals 16 divided by 3.